By combining the functions of multiple treatment tables, the Raphael 707 saves time, space, and increases treatment efficiency. Each of the techniques necessary for spinal treatment have been integrated into the Raphael 707. These include semi-automatic and automatic drops, autoflexion, distraction, and decompression, all with the aid of elevation. The Raphael 707's cutting-edge electric drop technology provides quieter, cleaner, and smoother drops. You can also operate anywhere on the cushion, even on the edge, which allows for a larger treatment area. The precision-engineered drops utilize an electric motor and sensor, which provide automatic, self-repetitive drops and require no foot pedal. With simple touchscreen operation, autoflexion, distraction, and traction, the Raphael 707 can be programmed to perform 3 separate treatment procedures at the same time. Other treatments can be performed simultaneously using both automatic and semi-automatic drop controls, which provides maximum comfort to patients and convenience for practitioners. In addition, cervical disc therapy with decompression and traction of the disc can be operated using various accessories. As seen here, the scoliosis treatment is performed using the optional scoliosis belt accessory. Raphael 707 is a revolutionary multifunctional table designed to provide optimal treatment effectiveness for doctors and their patients.